Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to organize tasks into categories in ZOHO Project. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, sign into your ZOHO Project account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. This is the foundation of everything we're doing and ensures you have the right platform to organize your tasks effectively. Now that we're in, navigate to the project where you want to organize tasks. Click on the project name. The reason we do this is because ZOHO Project has a project-based structure where each project has its own set of tasks. Next up, go to the Tasks and Milestones tab. This is where all the magic happens, where you create, manage, and categorize your tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The tasks you create here will be the core of your project, and categorizing them will help you manage them better. Now, let's create a new task. Click the Add Task button, fill in the task details, then hit Add. Each task represents a specific job in your project. It's important to make your task title clear and concise so you know exactly what needs to be done at a glance. Once you've created a task, it's time to categorize it. Click on the category, drop down, and select a relevant category or create a new one by clicking on Add Category. This helps us because it groups related tasks together, making it easier to track progress and manage workflow. Finally, save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Just as a safety measure, ZOHO Project requires you to confirm changes before they take effect. This is to ensure that everything you've set is intentional. And there you have it. That's how you organize tasks into categories in ZOHO Project. This process is not just about tidying up your tasks, but it's about making your project management more efficient and effective. It's about ensuring that every task has a place and that you can see at a glance what's happening in your project. So, to wrap up, we've signed into ZOHO Project, navigated to the right project, created a new task under the Tasks and Milestones tab, and categorized it appropriately. Remember, the key to effective task management is clarity and organization, and that's exactly what categorizing your tasks in ZOHO Project achieves. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.